stick around for just 2 minutes to do a headlight restoration with me. I corrected my headlights about 8 months ago and I coated the headlight you see on the left, but the one on the right I left unprotected to show what happens. Keep in mind this may not be a DIY project if you don't have the equipment. This is just to show you what you should expect if you get your headlights done. I could get away without wet sanding on these, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to throw it in. So I'm using a very light 3000 to 5000 grit disc with a small sanding block to do it by hand. I start by soaping up the disc and headlight. I'm just using water with some pH neutral car soap added in. After the 3K sand, I wipe it down and spray it with clean soap again to make sure I'm not rubbing in any residue when I smooth it out with the 5K. As you can see, it's still going to be cloudy, which is what happens when you wet sand anything, so we're not too worried. We're going to go ahead and finish it out with a compound and polish. I'm going to show you two great machines for the job, the first one being this Rupes Hybrid Nano. We will also use the Rupes system, DA Fine and DA Coarse with the appropriate pads for each. After wiping this down, you can see it will come out clear, but we're going to go one step further and finish it with a light polish as well. The next machine is going to be the Flex PXE80. It's good to note that both of these are battery powered machines, which makes it super convenient whether you're a business or a DIY detailer. We're going to wipe this polish off and do the most important step before any coating. A good isopropyl alcohol wipe will ensure no residue is left behind from any of the previous steps. Our product of choice for protection today is G-Technic Crystal Serum Light, so we'll be applying the same ceramic coating that's currently on the other headlight. Also, take into account this is by no means ideal conditions for a ceramic coating as I live in Canada and it's barely above freezing right now. Also, if you buff your headlights, make sure to tape around them to avoid hitting the edges of the paint. Because this is my own vehicle and it's for this video, I'm not too worried, but we're going to go ahead and take a look at these final results. The headlights weren't horrible, so the transformation isn't massive, but we were able to clear it up and protect it as well. Go ahead and follow for daily detailing content, and if you have any questions or video suggestions, go ahead and post them down below.